Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Tweets. Today I will show you how to use LocalSend to transfer files between your phone and your computer, whether it's laptop, Android, iPhone or any device. So basically LocalSend is the best app for transferring files between the devices. It's open source, that's why you don't have to see a lot of ads. Okay, so the process is download LocalSend in both of your devices, phone and also your PC. So go to localsend.org. Here you can see in my PC, here it's localsend.org, and here you can see the address is here. Share files without the cloud, fast, private, and it's offline. That means you don't have to any internet to transfer files. So first of all, click on the download button, and here you can download in Windows, Mac, and also in Linux, Android, and iOS. Okay, first of all, download for, as long as I'm using Mac Mini, so I have to download the Mac OS version here, and already downloaded the software. Okay, there you go. It's Mac Mini Home. I have renamed it. So how to rename it? Just simply go to settings and then device name. You can write the device name here according to your requirement. Okay, so it's my Mac Mini Home, that's why I named it Mac Mini Home. And now let me show you how to install in mobile phone. Here write LocalSend. Okay, so if I write LocalSend here, you can see, I can see the apps is here, LocalSend, and I have already downloaded the file. Okay, you can see iPhone. I have already renamed it to iPhone. So how to use that? Very simple. Let's say I will send files from phone to my PC. So I will click send here. You can see Mac Mini Home is already showing here because both of my devices are connected to the same network. It's important because if you do not connect both devices in the same network, it will not show. Okay, so what you will send, let's say I will send media. So let's say I will select an image from here and select confirm, and there you go. The image is now showing here. Check, the image is now showing here. So you can add multiple files here to send, and once you select the files, you can send the files to multiple devices at the same time. That's why you can see Mac Mini Home is showing here, as long as it's the Mac Mini Home. If I just press tab, you can see the it's asking for do you want to accept, iPhone wants to send you a file, do you want to accept? Yes. If I click accept, then you can see it's just transferred within seconds. Nothing complicated, very easy and very easy to do. So let's say if I want to send the files from Mac to your phone, how to do that? Just click send here and then choose let's say file here. You can choose any file here or go to downloads. Let's say I will choose this file. Okay, this file. You can see iPhone is there, right? iPhone is there. So if I just press on iPhone, you can see I have the dialog box here to accept the file. If I just click accept, you can see the file is transferred within seconds. Very simple. You can use this LocalSend to transfer files between your Android to iPhone, iPhone to Android, laptop to iPhone, iPhone to Mac, whatever you want. So basically LocalSend is the best software so far for transferring files instead of ShareIt or any other softwares. Okay, you can also use LocalSend in web, but basically I recommend you to use the app because app is more convenient. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thumbs up this video and subscribe my channel for more tech tutorials. I will see you in another video. Thank you.